you do cook it in the net, right?
No. You take all that off. All of it.
Even if you do it in the microwave?
Huh?
Even if you do it in the microwave?
Yeah, don't have to mash or net or anything. It'll just cook in the skin and it'll ruin your turkey.
Oh, well, I thought that's how it got all those X's on the outside.
No. No, baby. No. If you're gonna have all those X's on the skin, you have to take a tip of a knife and cut into the skin, and then put butter on it, and it'll help, and then it'll brown where those cuts are, and you get your lines. Don't cook it in the net. You'll ruin it. I mean, you'll have to throw it out. It won't be worth anything.
I know, I got it. So,
Get that of it all.
But-
all the wrapping off, everything off.
but put butter in it?
Take you a stick of butter and melt it on the stove and pour it all over the bird. And then
Can I just stick it?
You're gonna do on there.
Can I just put that stick of butter?
Cover it in foil. Just put it in your
Can't
pan.
put foil in the microwave.
Put an inch of water in the bottom of your pan.
Yeah.
Cover it with foil and stick it in the oven and cook it. Now to put it in the microwave, you might not want to put tin foil on it because it's gonna ruin your microwave. But you take all the wrapping off, every bit of the wrapping off. All of it.
Okay. What about like the butter? Can I just put that stick of butter on top of it in the microwave instead of melting it?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Can I just put the stick of butter on top of it in the microwave instead of melting it first?
Well, I guess you could, honey. I don't know. Like I said, as far as putting it in the microwave, I don't have a clue. But yeah, I guess you could. But you'd have to cover it in something or it's just gonna get all dried out, I would think.
Well, I'll try foil.
Don't put foil in your microwave. Foil, well, it'll ruin your microwave. You'll kill your microwave.
How about like saran wrap?
You can't put foil in there, and saran wrap will just melt. So I don't know what maybe you have some of that, it's like wax paper, but doesn't have any wax on it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. No, Amber has a rag.
Like cookie sheet with and stuff like that.
No, Amber has some of these white rags though that I think a couple of
Well,
them would cover it.
it's fine. They'll burn.
But what if it's wet from the butter?
It's not gonna make any difference, honey. It will burn.
Josh, this juice is pouring out everywhere.
No,
Josh, there's pink liquid pouring out everywhere.
you can't do that, babe. No, you can't do that.
Okay. And
I
this thing's making a mess. There's water coming out of this microwave.
It's not water, it's turkey juice, Josh.
She just got out of the shower, so she's yelling at me because there's she's yelling at me because there's turkey juice dripping out of the bottom of the microwave.
You're just gonna have a god-awful mess. You're just gonna have a mess. Don't you have it in a big pan, or what do you have it in?
I just set it in there.
Huh?
I just set it in there on top of that glass piece that goes in circles.
Oh, but it'll run over, especially if it's frozen, because it's got all that water in it.
No, it didn't have water in it. It was just frozen.
I know, but as it thaws, it's gonna have water. The water from the freeze is gonna be.
Well,
You can't do that. You have to put it in a plastic cup or something, or it's gonna be an awful mess. It's gonna ruin your microwave. Is what it's gonna do.
Well, that's better than turkey blood. That's what I thought it was coming out.
Oh, fine. Yeah, it's bloody water, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
You gotta quit.
Yeah.
She's gonna be
It's gonna ruin your microwave.
Okay. Hey, Amber told me I have to.
You can't do that, man. It doesn't work.
Amber told me I have to quit picking on you. She put me up to it originally, but now she's feeling bad about it.
Ask her when she wants to serve it.
We don't.
Ask her when she-
We don't have it.
Say, when do you want to serve it?
Probably next Thanksgiving.
Oh, no.
We don't. We don't really have a turkey. We don't have a turkey. She put me up. But yeah, she put me up to sending you that text just to see what kind of answer I'd get out of you. And so now she's telling me I gotta quit.
Well, she don't have my phone, is she?
She's evil. That's what I have to put up with around here.